To the winter wonderland. See how much snow we got. Yeah. An inch or two, I guess, huh? Finger. Yeah, okay. So there's Knoxville. There's Broadway down there. It looks like it's moving. Here's our wonderful driveway. Alright. Fresh snow on the roof. Yeah, it's a good couple inches up here. Crunch, crunch, crunch in the snow. Ooh, it's a little icy. Just a little bit. Okay. Now there you can see 640 down there. Get a good shot of that. Of course, here's the bottom of our hill. That's where the cars are sitting. And there our driveway. Yeah. A little slick.